Which submersible well pump is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't as easy as it looks. Today we're cutting through the noise and showing you exactly which ones deliver real performance underground. Product number 1, VEVOR 1 HP 115V Deep Well Pump. Let's start with the VEVOR 1 HP 115V model. This thing caught my eye because it's priced right around $143 and comes from a brand that actually shows up in hardware stores and online marketplaces consistently. If you need solid flow without breaking the bank for a mid-sized home or irrigation setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It pumps up to 37 gallons per minute and lifts water from 207 feet deep. That's enough for most residential wells. The 6-stage thermoplastic impellers mean better efficiency and less wear over time, especially if your well has sandy water. Plus, the built-in check valve stops backflow so your system stays primed. The stainless steel body with IP68 rating means it's built to survive underwater for years, and the copper motor includes overheat protection, critical if your well ever runs low on water. Now, some people complained about the cord being only 33 feet long. Here's the thing though, if your well is deeper than that, you'll need to extend the wiring anyway, which requires a licensed electrician. It's not a flaw in the pump itself, just a reminder that installation matters. Also, VEVOR doesn't include a control box, so you'll need to factor that into your total cost. This is perfect for you if you've got a standard 4-inch well casing and need reliable pressure for household use or light irrigation. Skip this one if you're running a commercial farm or need to push water way beyond 200 feet. For under $150, it's a solid entry-level workhorse. Product number 2, VEVOR 1 HP 230V Deep Well Pump. Now, if the previous VEVOR's 115V power requirement didn't match your setup, this next one takes a completely different approach. It runs on 230V, same price, same specs, but double the voltage. That might sound like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in efficiency and wire sizing for long runs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Higher voltage means lower current draw, which reduces energy loss over long distances. Perfect if your pump house is far from your breaker panel. You still get that same 37 GPM flow and 207 foot head, plus the stainless steel construction and built-in thermal protection. The 6-stage impeller design holds up well against sediment, and the ETL certification gives peace of mind on safety. Now, some people complained about compatibility issues, mainly folks who accidentally bought this thinking their home had 230V when it didn't. Here's the thing though, if your well already has 230V wiring common in rural setups, this is actually more efficient and future-proof. But if you're stuck with 115V, you'll need an upgrade, which adds cost. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and can't afford an electrician to upgrade your lines. At $143, it's a smart choice for anyone serious about long-term efficiency. Product number 3, Hallmark 1 HP 230V Industrial Pump. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for folks who want industrial-grade reliability without the premium price tag. The Hallmark 1 HP 230V pump costs $206, noticeably more, but it skips the control box entirely thanks to its built-in capacitor start. It's rated for 33 GPM and 207 feet of head, slightly less than the VEVOR, but the all-stainless body and heavy-duty thermoplastic discharge handle gritty water better over time. This pump is built like a tank, literally. It's used in both farms and homes where downtime isn't an option. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed documentation. Here's the thing though, if you've installed well pumps before, this won't faze you. But if you're a DIYer relying on manuals, you might feel lost. Also, at 27 pounds, it's heavier than the VEVOR, so lifting it into a deep well takes 2 people or a hoist. This is perfect for you if you want fewer components to fail and don't mind spending a bit more for simplicity. Skip this one if you're new to well systems and need plug-and-play support. For under $210, it's a no-nonsense workhorse. Product number 4, Hallmark 2 HP 230V High Head Pump. Now, if you're dealing with a deep well, like really deep, this next one is built for serious lift. The Hallmark 2 HP model hits 400 feet of head and pushes 35 GPM, all for $283. That's nearly double the head of the others, making it ideal for mountainous terrain or deep aquifers. This 2 HP unit delivers consistent flow even at extreme depths. The stainless steel body resists corrosion, and the AC motor is designed for continuous duty, great for irrigation or large households. It draws 10.3 amps at 230 V, so your electrical system needs to handle that load. Now, some people complained about the weight, or rather the missing weight data. The listing says 0.01 ounces, which is obviously wrong. Here's the thing though, you shouldn't be lifting it alone anyway. Use a rope and pulley system. Also, it's louder than smaller pumps, so placement matters. This is perfect for you if you've got a deep well and high water demand. Skip this one if your well is shallow or your usage is light. At $283, it's an investment, but one that pays off in reliability. Product number 5. VEVOR 0.5 HP 115V Compact Pump. Finally, if you've got a shallow well or low water needs, this VEVOR 0.5 HP model at $131 could be your secret weapon. It's smaller, lighter, and cheaper, but don't underestimate it. With 28 GPM and 167 feet of head, it handles cabin setups, garden irrigation, or backup supply with ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5-stage impeller is efficient for its size, and the stainless steel body still gives you that corrosion resistance. The built-in check valve and filter mesh protect against debris, and the 33-foot cord is usually enough for shallow installations. Plus, the lower power draw means it plays nice with generators during outages. Now, some people complained about reduced flow in sandy wells. Here's the thing though, adding that gauze filter they recommend makes a big difference. Also, this isn't meant for heavy daily use. If you're running sprinklers all day, go bigger. This is perfect for you if you've got a shallow well or seasonal use. Skip this one if you need constant high-volume output. For under $135, it's a budget-friendly lifeline. So which one wins? For most homes, the VEVOR 1 HP 230V offers the best balance of power and efficiency. If you're going deep, the Hallmark 2 HP is unbeatable. Need simplicity, the Hallmark 1 HP skips the control box. On a tight budget, the 0.5 HP VEVOR gets the job done. And if you're stuck with 115V, the first VEVOR model still holds up.